Alright, first layer or row of OSB is on for the roof. What a pain in the ass. So we'll continue on, do the other side tomorrow. I went ahead and even got the 2x4s that were supporting the roof trusses, got those down now. And we also added hurricane clips. That's them right there. You want to make sure you put those on before the wafer board, because they're a pain in the ass trying to get them on when one sheet's on. But yeah, that's them there. The other side's hanging on the outside. So yeah, coming along. We'll get to the other side tomorrow. Alright, we've gone to the other side now. Started getting the wafer board up, and that side is a good bit of work as well, especially getting this sheet up. We're going to have to get a longer ladder, but I'll show you what we did to get these pieces up on the outside here. Okay, so what we did, we built a makeshift scaffold here on the side. We basically used 12-foot 2x6s and some scrap lumber that was about 3 feet in length, and attached it to the sides of the wall here, and just attach it to each stud, and then to each 2x6 12-footer, and then we ran a 2x10 which we had left over from a previous project for a walking board. So yeah, and all we did was use 2x4s to brace it here at the base, but you know, it's just basically sitting on the ground piece by piece by piece. But that's how we got those pieces up there on the side. So we're probably going to wind up having to get a longer ladder, because it's just really difficult to get up on top of the upper pitch of the roof here. So especially as far down as we are from on this part of the lot, the slope is just really bad and makes it really difficult to do anything. So but yeah, put another couple of roof clamps up top for another 2x8 to get one sheet up there, but it's really such a pain. We'll just have to get a longer ladder, it looks like. So we'll continue on. Alright, all but one section up top there is pretty much covered with OSB. I'll show you from the inside here. Alright, after tomorrow there won't be any sunlight getting in here. It's going to be quite dark. Yeah, we got a 24-foot ladder, and that really helped out getting this plywood up here. This side is not too bad, except for the space between the side of the building and the actual wall. But yeah, tomorrow this will be wrapped up, and then we'll probably go ahead and get some tar paper on. We may be able to get it shingled before the weather gets bad. Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday are nice, and Monday they're calling for rain, so we shall see. Alright, there we go. That's a 24-foot ladder we got, and this is the scaffolding from the front here that we rigged up to help navigate the plywood up the side there using a 2x10, and we actually use one of our 2x6 12-footers to help out. And let's see if I can get down here. Yeah, got the other 2x8 up there to get to the upper level. But yeah, this is a major pain, especially when you're dealing with, you know, about a 20-foot drop from the top there to this lower level. So yeah, I'll be glad to wrap this up. Alright, it is finished. What a job this was. Take a look on the inside here. Alright, it's looking awful dark. Next will be the tar paper. That won't be too bad. Get that up there, and the last thing will be shingles. I can't see a whole lot from the top here. Let's see. That's on top of my cinder blocks here. There's the shingles. And the tar paper. We'll be unrolling that here soon. But yeah, that's huge. Finally got that wafer board on and completed. And the tar paper is on. Ready for the shingles next. Alright, here's the other side. Got the tar paper on, and the plan now is go ahead and probably start on the shingles. We're going to leave the scaffolding up to go ahead and do this side of the shingles, and then once we've got that completed, we'll dismantle the scaffolding and move it to the other side and reassemble it to do the other side of the mega shed here. So yeah, it's at least, you know, water resistant, so at least got some sort of roof on here now. But once the shingles are on, then we know that part's complete, and then really it's just finishing up the trim and paint next. And here's the shingles. I'm using black onyx color. I actually had some green that would have matched the paint, but we're like, I don't know if we want to go overboard there with the color scheme, and on top of that, the green ones were a bit more expensive. These were the cheapest ones. I guess they're more common, the black onyx. So that's we got 24 bundles. We think that's going to be sufficient. So guess we'll find out once we start getting them on. Well, we've got one side done. You can't see the upper portion there, but it is roofed all the way to the peak. And that was done in one day. Not bad. So right now weather is going to be a factor once again. But right now, if we can do it, weather permitting, we're going to go ahead and take the scaffolding down, because this side is pretty much complete, and move it to the other side and hopefully knock that out in one day. So we got our ridge vent standing by for once we get everything completed. And again, you know, we did pretty good, but now the rain may be moving in, so it could be delaying things, but we shall see. Yep, rain's here. We can't do anything today. And we also decided that the scaffolding, we're gonna leave it alone. We think there's just not going to be enough room between the fence and the side of the building, so we're going to leave it be and just try to do it with ladders. So we'll see how it goes and when the rain ends. Alright, this side is complete. The weather has finally given us a break. We got the shingles on this side. All that's left is the ridge vent, and we're set up for that. We'll probably get that on tomorrow. But about 2.5 days total it took to roof this. Just 2 people. It's pretty good. And I think it's time for a tall, cold one. Alright, well, it turns out we actually had to move the scaffolding because there was just no room down there for a ladder. There's like no space, so bringing the scaffolding up to shingle it worked out pretty good. So I'll give you a quick shot of what it looks like up here. This rickety old 24-foot ladder with a ridge vent. But yeah, everything is up to the peak. It's really good. Yeah, we got that ridge vent on tomorrow, and that will wrap it up. Alright, we are officially finished with the roof. The ridge vent is on, ridge caps are in place. 40 feet. Huge accomplishment here. Now we'll just concentrate taking down the scaffolding, going back to the trim and paint. Time for a break.